Okay, so today we are going to do two very exciting things. Number one, we are going to do a smoothie challenge, and number two, we're going to make a beautiful 2-color smoothie from the book 100 Smoothies, which has just come out. So let's start with the smoothie challenge. Okay, so at the end of the challenge, 2 winners would win one of 2 books. First winner would win a copy of Mission Raw. This is the first book in the series. It's the craving book, pizza, burger, ice cream. And the second winner is going to win the next book in the series coming up, which is 30 Noodles. 30 Noodles is all about noodles from around the world, like spaghetti, like pesto, like mac and cheese. Oh yeah. So here is how this is going to go. This is the February smoothie challenge. I know we're starting it a little bit early, but we're gonna start now. And until the end of February, here's what's going to happen. The 2 winners will be selected at random, and in order to participate, you have to do 3 things. Number 1, give everyone your very own smoothie tip. All right, so you're gonna put it in the comments below. This is the absolute best time to be making smoothies for loved ones. It's Valentine's Day, it's February, so let's make this the February smoothie challenge, okay? So, number 1, a tip, your very own smoothie tip in the comments below. Okay, number 2, you take that tip and the link to this video and you share it on social media with the hashtag 100 Smoothies Rawmunchies, all right? So that's number 2, hashtag 100 Smoothies Rawmunchies, sharing the link of this video. And number 3, subscribe to this channel. Okay, I think this is it. I think now we're going to make a smoothie. Impressive, aren't they? Okay, I hope you guys like this recipe. I hope you guys like the challenge. Let's do this. Let's make February our smoothie month. All right. If there's anything you want to know about the raw vegan diet, I do Q&A videos. If there's a topic you want me to cover, please let me know in this channel. And we have the cookbooks coming up. There's one last one, 50 salads, which is going to be the 4th one at the end of the series. I'm very excited to be doing all this. I'm very excited about the smoothie challenge, and I'd love to see you here in the comments. Goodbye.